Now, after much deliberation over who to project as its chief ministerial candidate in Delhi, sources say that the BJP has zeroed on Dr. Harsh Vardhan as its face instead of Vijay Goyal, who is also BJP's Delhi unit chief. BJP's decision comes after opinion poll projections showed that the BJP will lose the Delhi mandate under Vijay Goyal.
As the fight for Delhi heats up and the Aam Aadmi Party emerging as a serious contender, a worried BJP has decided to project Dr. Harsh Vardhan as its face for 2013 Delhi mandate. Sources indicate the party has decided on Harsh Vardhan after opinion poll projection results, which clearly showed BJP losing out under its Delhi president Vijay Goyal.
It seems now trouble is once again brewing within the Delhi unit of the BJP, with change of plans now happening ahead of the assembly elections that are scheduled to happen in weeks from now. After Vijay Goyal being projected and being at the helm of affairs as far as Delhi assembly elections are concerned, it seems now, and sources indicate very categorically, that Dr. Harsh Vardhan could very well be projected.
The decision comes as a huge blow to BJP's Delhi president, who only a few days back challenged Sheila Dikshit to a governance debate.
हम मुख्यमंत्री शीला दीक्षित कांग्रेस की सरकार को इस बात के लिए चुनौती दे रहे हैं कि आइए और हमारे साथ डिबेट करिए। ये आज पहली बार नहीं है। मुझे खुशी है अगर वो डिबेट करने को तैयार हैं, क्योंकि 15 साल में जिस तरीके से महंगाई और भ्रष्टाचार बढ़ा है, 15 साल में जिस तरीके से दिल्ली वालों के साथ अन्याय हुआ है और गवर्नेंस नाम की कोई चीज नहीं है।
The Delhi unit has been witnessing ample factionalism and infighting since Vijay Goyal's appointment, which is why the BJP now wants to put its best foot forward, as a confident Congress is sure of a win.
I do believe that the Congress party will form government. I do believe that Sheila Dikshit will be Chief Minister for the 4th time. I do believe the BJP has no place in Delhi.
With the BJP likely to make a formal announcement in the next few days on its decision to make Dr. Harsh Vardhan the party's chief ministerial candidate for the Delhi Assembly elections, it looks like the triangular fight in Delhi will now be between Sheila Dikshit, Arvind Kejriwal and Dr. Harsh Vardhan. Bureau Report, Times Now.